Beanie Weenie. Alright, first thing you want to do is chop some onions real nice like this. Put them into an oiled pan, then zhuzh them up with a wooden spoon. Oops. Turn on the stove and then zhuzh them up with a wooden spoon. Chop up some mushies, but don't wash them because the dirt makes them taste more rustic. Toss them in the old pan and it's weenie time. Grab one to test out the sound. This one sounds pretty good. Also check to make sure they're not too bendy. Slice the weens nice and gently and then right into the pan they go. You'll want to give the extra nubbin to the dog because it's basically dog food anyways. Zhuzh that up a little bit more. Then crack open the old pantry, see what you got there. You can go all the way to the back for some sauce. Sauce. Anyways, give that a little sploosh. And then add 1 tablespoon of garlic. 2 tablespoons of garlic. And then another 2nd tablespoon of garlic. Don't forget to zhuzh after this step, it's really important. Add a bit of salt. A little bit of unpow, that's what I call onion powder. A little smoked pap, that's what I call smoked paprika. A little MSG, that's what I call MSG. And now for the secret ingredient, fèves au bacon. Baked beans. Grab a can opener and give it a little tap till it opens up. This is where you're gonna bean the ween. Make sure to wait for the big shloop. There it is. Don't forget the stragglers. Give a bit of a left-hand zhuzh and then hit them up with the old right-handed switcheroo. Now's a good time for an awkward moment with the dog. Alright, then you're going to want to let it simmer for about 3 to 4 weeks. Carefully move it to a fancy bowl and don't spill any. Top with a bit of shame. And then slowly rotate for the money shot. And that's how you make a Beanie Weenie. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Or don't. Whatever, I don't care.